The rest of the advocates, especially the young advocates who are recently admitted, that they can emulate and work harder so that they can also reach a position whereby they get the said awards. Thank you very much.
Today we have converged to celebrate the end-year dinner for the LSK Southwest, a moment of reflection and auditing of what we have done, the ups and downs, and appreciating merit. Judicial office, from judicial officers to young advocates to senior advocates and all those who have meritoriously performed duty for the delivery of justice within this region of Southwest Kenya under the Law Society of Kenya. It has been a moment of reflection. It has been a moment of highs and lows. It has been a moment that we have sacrificed everything. It's a moment that we have given everything for the simple purpose of the oath that we took when we were admitted to the bar as advocates of the High Court of Kenya. It has been a moment that we have enjoyed, and also a moment that we sit or stand to reflect and plan for what will come ahead in our profession.
Legal services. What the concerns we have currently is about the practice issues. If you look at the current, the most recent admissions of advocates to the bar, young advocates, there were 900 plus advocates. That's a huge number, and we expect that they'll come to the bar and also make a living, and because that is welfare issues, we are also looking into that. So because the practice space is really shrinking, we must look at what are the things or what standards are we going to